What if your $100,000 degree becomes worthless in the next 5 years? We are on the cusp of a revolution in education, driven by the rise of AI tutors. These aren't just smart chatbots. They are sophisticated, adaptive learning systems dismantling traditional higher education models as we know them. Imagine an AI mentor that personalizes your curriculum in real time, adapting to your learning pace and style, focusing precisely on what you need to master. This technology prioritizes competency over credentials, enabling rapid skill acquisition directly aligned with current market demands. The shift is profound. Companies are increasingly moving away from degree-based hiring towards skill-based hiring. Micro-credentials and verifiable competency are becoming the new currency in the job market, especially evident in corporate hiring trends across the US and UK. This paradigm shift challenges the very foundation of how we value education and prepare for careers. However, this transformation isn't without its risks. We must address critical concerns like algorithmic bias, which could exacerbate existing educational inequalities. The future of universities in an AI-driven economy is also uncertain. They must evolve or risk becoming obsolete. In the age of AI tutors, will your degree matter or your skills?